I have never said a word against Sanatan Dharma. I have only said that this Gautam Khattar and those organizers who did that event should be banned. What is wrong in that? I am not going against that statement. Gautam Khattar should be banned in Goa. The organizers who did that event in Vasco should be banned. They should not be allowed to do a statement event again. For what reason? To excite the people again? It's not required. You can ask that day when we went Kolwa, the Sarpanch of Karmana was there, Sandra, the Sarpanch of Benaulim was there, PO was there, your ex-Sarpanch, Remy was not present. But there were so many over here, Jeffrazis were there, there's so many over here. They all were there that day, we didn't say anything. You can ask them. Maka apoila, halia apoila, I insult them, halani kiti apoila. नाही तू हे पा पटय बिस्ते आनी एक रुटीन हांवें म्हणलें हांव तुमकां पयलें सांगत म्हणलें हांव तुम हाले आपयता हांव येता सी आय एम अ लॉ अबायडिंग सिटीजन म्हाका सकाळीं 11 हांव चाय पियोगे रेस्टॉरंटाचेर बसलो तेदोना म्हाका 11 मेसेज घायली तेमी हांव येयला 4 आय वॉज सपोज टू ट्रॅव्हल टुडे आउट ऑफ गोवा आय कॅन्सल्ड इट हू विल पे फॉर ऑल ऑफ दॅट द गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा दिस इज अ कंप्लीट हॅरेसमेंट and tomorrow also that they've called me, I will go. But again, I will not take an anticipatory bail. Very clear cut. There's nothing to fear. In my own land, why should I fear?
कितल्यांक आपयला फाल्यां
हाल्या म्हाका देंपराव आपयला
मग ह्याच टायमार 4 म्हणून थंय आसता
हय देंपराव आपयला म्हाका
ओके
हाल्या
थँक्यू
तुमच्या वांगडा आनी कोणा आपयला वा तुमी सिंगल
ना म्हाका आपयलें तें खबर आहा म्हाका आनी कोणा आपयलें जाल्यार म्हाका खबर ना पूण म्हाका आपयला हाल्या हांगकडे